A lot has changed since I first visited Lagos in 2007. Today, Lagos has been transformed into a mega city with amazing mega projects worth billions of dollars. Hit that subscribe button and let's watch history unfold together in Lagos, Nigeria. According to Metro Trends, 15,900,000 people live in Lagos, which is a 3.63% increase from 2022. Trust me, with a city this massive, you can bet your bottom dollar that traffic from the mainland to the island is a real headache. But guess what? There's something exciting happening that you may not even be aware of: the Fourth Mainland Bridge. Now let me break it down for you in simple terms. The Fourth Mainland Bridge, which you might have driven on before, is already a pretty impressive feat of engineering, stretching over 11.8 kilometers across the Lagos Lagoon. But hold on to your seat, because the Fourth Mainland Bridge is gearing up to outshine it in a way that will make your jaw drop. Yes, you heard me right. This Fourth Mainland Bridge is not just your run-of-the-mill bridge, it's a game changer, a lifeline for the people of Lagos and a beacon of hope for Nigeria's future. Truly, Lagos, Africa's largest city, is in the midst of a massive transformation. We are talking about projects like the Blue Rail Line, the Red Line Metro Rail, the Lekki Deep Seaport, all of which are turning the city into a hub of progress. This is very much expected, considering that Lagos is the fastest growing city in Africa since 2010, according to the World Economic Forum. And you know what? As Lagos residents and proud Nigerians, we've been clamoring for better infrastructure and connectivity for ages, and finally it's happening. But wait, there is more. Let's zoom in on the star of the show, the Fourth Mainland Bridge. This project, championed by former Lagos State Governor Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, isn't just a bridge. It's a whopping 38 kilometers of sheer engineering marvel. To put it in perspective, the Third Mainland Bridge is a mere 11.8 kilometers long. But the Fourth Mainland Bridge, brace yourself because it's more than double that length. It's a 2x4 lane that is going to link Lagos Island, Lambasa, Lekki, Beku, Ikorodu, and the Tamaga in Ikorodu. It's not just a bridge, it's a lifeline, and is here to ease the crazy traffic we've been dealing with on the Third Mainland Bridge. There's more to this story. The Fourth Mainland Bridge is set to become the longest bridge in all of Africa. The Third Mainland Bridge was the longest bridge in Africa until 1996, when the 6th October Bridge located in Cairo was completed. So the second longest bridge in Africa will be located in Egypt and measures 20.5 kilometers over the River Nile, while the longest bridge will be right here in Lagos, Nigeria, measuring 38 kilometers over the Lagos Lagoon. That's impressive. The Fourth Mainland Bridge will have 3 toll plazas, 9 interchanges, and the cherry on top, it's all about preserving our environment, making it one heck of an eco-friendly marvel. Now let's talk numbers. Originally, this project was supposed to kick off in 2017, but you know how these things go. It faced its fair share of delays. The estimated cost, a jaw-dropping 844 billion naira, with an additional $2.2 billion proposed in 2020. Instead of the 4,000 houses that will be demolished, the Lagos State government has decided to demolish only 800 houses. Several bidders were gunning for the project, and in December of 2022, the China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation (CCECC) came out on top. Although Julius Berger Nigeria PLC built the Third Mainland Bridge way back in 1990 during President Ibrahim Babangida's time, it's not going to handle this mega bridge project, but China's engineering company will bring it to reality. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. The Fourth Mainland Bridge is expected to be completed in just 4 years. That's right. By 2027, we'll be witnessing the birth of the longest bridge in all of Africa. It will possess the characteristics of a well-designed bridge, safety, and long-lasting. This newly proposed bridge will deal with the inevitable weight of its traffic, but it must also withstand its own weight. Many bridges work on the cantilever principle, which spans projects into space. But what really sets this bridge apart is its consideration for the people it serves. The Lagos State government has worked closely with over 48 estates, traditional rulers, and other stakeholders affected by the bridge. It's a project that has the heart of the city at its core. So as we wrap up our journey through the Fourth Mainland Bridge, remember, it's not just about steel and concrete. It's a symbol of progress, unity, and the hope for a brighter Lagos. The Fourth Mainland Bridge is a dream come true, and is coming soon to shape our Lagos city and Nigeria, our future.